stop, please, Daddy. Hi.
Alright.
I'm sick. What's wrong with you?
My kidneys don't work. I need new ones.
Where do you get them from?
Someone has to give me one. Or I'm not gonna live very long.
Do I have kidneys?
Yes. 2. Why?
I could give you a mine.
Take care. I don't want you talking to him, okay?
Why?
It might be dangerous.
I think he's nice. He has tattoos like you.
Tattoos don't make you good or bad.
Jesus loves them. Why can't we?
Just mind me, please.
Yes, Daddy. Handcuffs. Here's a key.
What's this for?
Your handcuffs. Jesus loves everybody. Jesus gave you his love. I want to give you my kidney so you can be with your family.
Again. Please, God. I'm sorry, we've done everything we can. Time of death, 6:47 a.m. Number 20.
Lucy! Lucy!